Romo mar nono manyien katiba mar Athletics Kenya olora yange boma Eldoret. Romo kamano winjruok nobedo mar chopo chik mar doho mane dwaro ni mondo nywak jong'wech e telo mar ng'wech kata Athletics Kenya e pachoka India. Jong'wech kaka Janet Chebusgei, Jabatong, Julius Yego kod jatugo mamoko manigi huma noyuore romo makamano. Katiba masani oweyo oko jong'wech e telo mar Athletics Kenya.
Constitution has been contentious, and that's why you've seen before the matter has been in court, both at the High Court and the Court of Appeal. The courts were clear that the federation, in this case the Athletics Kenya, must open itself up and ensure that a constitution has to be inclusive, transparent, and has to accommodate primarily the interest of the core stakeholders, in this case athletes. So we saw it fit to ensure that we do public participation as to possible amendments to ensure that the constitution that will be adopted by the AGM will be an inclusive one.
Of course, you say the issue of athlete rep, I think we talk about it, and the current constitution, I think, only allows one athlete rep. So, but we have to be very gender sensitive. So we need to have both gender. So we need to have two athletes. Athlete rep, of course, the other one will be the chairman and the chair and the other as assistant. So, and of course, it should reflect the two gender.